Hey there, welcome to GTECHAI. Here I'll be teaching you how to add link to your TikTok bio. Now to add link to your TikTok bio, here I will use Telegram for example. Now I will open Telegram app. Here I will use my channel for example. Now click on the search icon. Here type in your channel name. As you can see, here is my channel. Now press on your channel icon. Now here click on this link icon here. Click on it. Now copy the link. Now go back to your home menu or desktop menu like this by clicking the back navigation. Now open your TikTok app. Here inside TikTok, click on this profile icon here. Now click on edit profile. Here you see add your website, but in order to do it, you first switch to business suite. Now to switch to business suite, click on this three line on the top side here. Click on it. Now here click on settings and privacy. Now inside here, click on account. Here click on switch. You can see it is in personal account. If you click on it, it will switch to business suite and follow the processes that are required. Now go back here, click on edit profile. Now here click on add your website. Now wait for it to load. Now click on get started. Here wait for it. Now click on here, turn this on, and then click on get started. Here fill in the required information. Here you can see it, your city, your zip code, your phone number, and here on the down section add your website here. Now paste your website here. Now click on next and follow the required processes. It will be like this after you fill in the required processes like this. That's how to add link to your TikTok bio. If you are visiting here for the first time, like, subscribe and click on the bell icon for more helpful tips like this, and also watch this video here in order to know how to add caption to a TikTok video to make it more enjoyable. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video. Peace.